If you need to anonymize documents with information in different orientations, such as contracts, invoices or technical drawings, follow these simple steps. First, upload the document and select the anonymization mode along with the settings you have previously defined. Once on this screen and before starting the process, make sure to activate the text detection optimization in different orientations option. Nymiz will automatically take care of detecting the text in the document, identifying both the characters and the orientation of each block of information. This guarantees a more accurate and effective anonymization. At the end of the process, this screen will be displayed confirming that the process has been completed and the anonymized file will be downloaded automatically. Thanks to this orientation detection functionality, you can rest assured that your information has been efficiently protected, even in complex cases with multiple text formats and layouts.